I'm just heading to the place where I hid one of my ducks, so I'm just going to see if it's there, which it isn't. So someone has taken one of my ducks, I think. Yeah, because I hid it around here. Yeah, oh my gosh, that's so cool. If you're seeing this and you find it, please let me know. So that's a walking tour behind me. I was trying to film for my POV walk and I was like, oh wait, just because they're over there and I need to get that way, but I've come back to the church and yeah, there's some views over here. Yeah, the walking church, the walking thing is just over there. Oh, and there's some rowers out, so maybe rather than trying to go the way the walking tours go in, I'll head down a bit and wait and see if I can get any rowers. And while I'm waiting, but yeah. So I'm currently, so you can't see, but it's over here. I'm in the graveyard at the moment. It's really nice with all the trees. Yeah, oh actually, no, there's another way I can go, so I can avoid the group, because otherwise I'll end up on that walking tour, which would be quite funny, to be fair. There's so many squirrels. I'm gonna walk slowly because I don't want to scare, but there's one on this tree here. I'm trying to walk slowly so I don't scare them. There's about 5 I can see. Oh, that's cute. Okay, I'm going to try and continue my POV walk now. To a little place called Stratford Greenway for a nice little walk, so I'll take you guys along with me. Place behind me is a little coffee place and it's a used railway car, like carriage. That's a little used railway carriage. So I'll probably stop off there on my way back. It looks really cute, so I'll try and show you it on my way back. And then we have just here Stratford Racecourse. So I'm going to end up going on there too. Yeah. Oh, here we go. It's like a little bench, but it's a better view. And here's one of the fences that the horses jump. Pretty cool. Okay, so we're getting closer to Stanell's Bridge. It is a old railway bridge now used as a footpath, and here it is. It looks so far away in the distance. It's really not. So I don't know why my camera does it, but oh wow. And here is old Stanell's Bridge. Now used as a footpath. Yeah, how cool is that? And there it is. That's such a good view. There's some benches here. That's such a good view for if the races were on and you wanted to watch it for free. Like, look. You're so close to where they run. Like, literally there. Ooh. That's cool.